episode, we have done reading for the fire signs. In this episode, we will be doing the reading of water signs. The zodiac signs connected with water signs are Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So let's understand the solar eclipse impact on the viewers who are connected with the water signs. Let me pick the cards and we will start with the reading. We will look into the impact of the solar eclipse on our viewers with water signs for their career, impact on their career and finances, and love and relationships. Hello, welcome to my channel, Lady with a Wand. So, the first card picked here is the World card. Let's first see all the cards and then we'll go about with the reading. We have the second card here drawn is the Four of Cups. Then we have the Strength card here, and the fourth card is Nine of Cups. So, what the World card is trying to tell, the impact of solar eclipse on our viewers connected to the water sign. So what is it saying? With the World card here, this is a very powerful card which is indicating that you could have been previously in a pattern before the eclipse. You could have been in a pattern where you are going round and round. The same pattern would have been followed, but now with this World card, it is an indicating that you have come to a completion of a cycle, a pattern which is getting completed, and now you are approaching the end. The end is also a beginning of a new chapter. So you are completing or ending the old previous chapter and you are entering into a phase, a new beginning with the solar eclipse. The impact of the solar eclipse could be that it is going to be pushing you from the phase of stagnation to the movement of growth and new beginnings. So currently with the Four of Cups here, we can understand that during this time of solar eclipse, you may be feeling a little bit emotional disconnect, or you may not be looking out for the right opportunities because you have been in this pattern for a very long time and the cycle is ending. It is also bringing along with it a lot of doubts. There could be self-doubts. You may be questioning yourself at one point of time. Your career would have been very good, but somewhere there is a stagnation. You are looking out for something to do different and something which is very much enthusiastic for you. But currently you are not finding anything which is very much interesting and you would want to invest your time and energy in such a career. You would be wanting to have a shift of your career. This is what it is indicating. You would want, all those viewers who are in the water sign would want, but you people are in such a position where you are not looking at what the universe is wanting to give you. You are stagnated. You are still dwelling in the past. You must be feeling that the past energy, what you have invested in your career, is not reaping the benefits. Why should I put the energy? You would be in a stagnant mode. But this card is also trying to tell you, viewers, that you should try to come out of this particular energy. The solar eclipse will somewhere push you to revisit your past, understand the mistakes what you have done in your career in the past, and want you to correct those mistakes before you move ahead. So this ending of the past energies in your career which you have been waiting. You may have been waiting to get a recognition in your career, a promotion, increment which has been stagnant for a very long time, and you have been waiting for a change in your career which has not happened for a very long time and you feel very disconnect. So this change could be happening. The push of the solar energy could be that there is going to be an impactful change in your career. So when this is indicating, so the coming of the Strength card here is saying that don't dwell in the energy of Four of Cups. It is asking you to be a little bit more patient, understand what the opportunities are coming your way, and how you need to grab these opportunities. This card, strength card, is indicating that you need to, what to say is that you need to be in that energy. You have been waiting for such a long time, and when the opportunity is coming your way, you should not step backward. You should stand in that position of strength and wait for the right time to come. With the Nine of Cups which is coming here, this is a very, very clear indication that for all the energy you have put, this solar eclipse is going to give you a push of your wish fulfillment in your career aspects. Maybe your financial stability, you will become financially stable in the upcoming months. If you have been working towards changing your job or getting into a new project, this could be the time. But you need to be a little more patientful and wait for the right time, and the right opportunity will come with lots of rewards and personal growth for you. Okay, now let's understand what the solar eclipse impact is going to be on your career with the same cards which are drawn here. So, with the World card again here, this is indicating that you have been in a toxic relationship or a relationship which is not giving you any sort of fulfillment for a very long time. And this is coming to an end. When it is an end, it is always a new beginning. So with this card, it is saying that you could be completing a relationship, or you may distant from a relationship. You may want to move away from a relationship. This could be the ending or deepening of a relationship as well. If you have been in a toxic relationship, this could mean the end of the relationship. If you have been working on your love life and your relationships for quite some time, and you have worked along, then with this card, it can indicate that during this solar eclipse, it could be the deepening of the relationship as well. With the Four of Cups here, it is indicating that this relationship, if you have been in toxic, this relationship has drained you a lot. There is drain in your emotions. It is a emotional withdrawal, what I can say with this card. So somewhere the past is what you are dwelling in this particular timeline, and the solar eclipse is going to make you question here with this energy, with the endings coming and the new beginnings happening. It is going to push you towards understanding the dynamics of your love life and the relationships you are into. So with the Strength card coming up here and the Nine of Cups coming, the solar eclipse will push you towards maintaining the relationship in a very, what I can say is a very nice manner, like without putting lot of arguments, without too much of a demand in the relationship, trying to understand the relationship. You can say you are going to become a good listener than showing any reactions in the relationship. This is what this card is indicating. Once you have stepped into the energy where the solar eclipse is pushing towards, where you have worked on your emotions, your withdrawals, then there is a wish fulfillment of your relationship which is going to be happening. There can be new connections which could be coming up, unexpected connections of love, new opportunities of love which will come, which is going to make your life a happy place for you to dwell. So the universe is saying that the old connections during this solar eclipse could move away. The toxic relationships, you may have to work towards letting go of these toxic relationships. There could be a chance that you will enter into a new relationship, and the withdrawals or the emotional backlogs or the baggages which you have been carrying in the past is what the eclipse is going to push you towards working for. You need to be resilient during this time, and the moment you are into your power zone or your energy is when you will see that the blooming of a beautiful relationship or your love life is going to happen with the Nine of Cups here. So the solar eclipse is going to bring a transformation in your career and in your love life. So work on yourself is what I can tell you. Thank you for being connected with this reading here with the water signs. There will be new reading coming up for the air signs and the earth signs. Do watch my video, give your valuable comments. Let me know in the comment section if the readings have resonated with you and how much. Do let me know on what topics you wish me to bring up readings also. Thank you.